Hello. In this video I am going to show you how to trade with my free indicator Fedra Algotrang. This indicator is largely based on my automatic trading strategy script. Although being an indicator, it cannot take advantage of some of the benefits that the strategies have, such as automatic backtesting and trading the price value in real time. By following the signals and the trading method that I am now going to show you, you can get a significant advantage when trading. This script finds the entry to a trade by calculating the linear regression of the price of the last periods, by default 10, and plotting a deviation from that regression, thus forming a tunnel or range containing the average values of the price. When a candle closes breaking down the deviation of the linear regression, represented by a yellow triangle, and it is interpreted that there is no downtrend, a buy signal is sent. Once the buy signal is sent, the trade will be closed when the price closes a candle above the level set for take profit, or the candle closes below the level set for stop loss, or on a break even when it interprets that there is a change of trend. The trend filter takes into account several factors and has two parameters that can be configured, which are the 20-period moving averages in yellow, and the 100-period moving average in blue. Each time a trade closes, the signal plots the result in P&L to facilitate backtesting and parameter optimization. Once you have successfully configured the parameters, the way to trade would be to replicate the entry given by the script on your favorite exchange and place an OCO order on the take profit and stop loss positions configured. The script has a positive mathematical expectation, so keeping the risk-reward ratio at 1:1 can be a good strategy. Although past performance is not an indicator of future performance, and conditions may vary between different assets. This indicator can work in any time frame, however the default values are optimized for 30-minute charts, because this is the time frame in which the original strategy works and the values have been extensively tested. I will reproduce the strategy with default values on a chart where different market situations can be seen so that the real performance and effectiveness of the trend filter can be appreciated. This indicator is still under development and is adopting the improvements that are added to the main script as far as possible. Currently, one of the main features that could not be adapted to the indicator is the trailing stops. You can learn more about my original strategy in this video. You can see how the trend filter does a great job of keeping you out of the market in adverse situations. In this period my stop loss was hit twice, but even then the losses would have been much higher if I had continued trading. You can try my other scripts by filling out a simple form from my Patreon. There is no purchase commitment and it is important that you test if it fits your way of trading before considering a subscription. Did you find the script useful? Do you like this type of content? If so, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you help me to reach 150 subscribers, I will teach you a trick to get buy and sell alerts for any Tradingview strategy. Thanks for your support, it allows me to continue generating strategies and content for the community.